will show you, we will together show you some journeys of candidates who have come back from a 50,000 rank to a top 500 rank, a not qualified rank to a top 10 rank. We'll show you journeys and messages from these students who are champions of comeback, who have come back from like a position where everybody was telling them you will not be able to do it, and today they are in top 500 rank. And I want you to know today your motivation will come from these journeys. It will not come from me, it will come from these journeys, and that is the purpose of this video. Let me share those journeys with you.
And this is the strength that DAMS believes in, that we and you together can convert a rank which a rank at which people tell you to quit, a rank at which people tell you to take an exit. We are here to make it possible together from that rank to a rank where you can show that you can get what you want. No compromises, and we're totally going to believe that we deserve what we believe in. We can make it possible anytime, right? With hard work, with dedication, and with persistence.
The first story that we are sharing today is of Dr. Manan Trivedi. He is a rank 45 this year. It's a big rank, 45. But look at what was his rank last year. It was 11,000. And that is what I always keep telling. It is possible to improve. It is possible to improve. You need right guidance and then a massive hard work to improve. You can see it is possible. People were telling you rank 45 comes from genius. It comes from somebody who's already innate. You have to work hard to work on it. You may go wrong once, but then if you put in massive hard work, you improve. Heartiest congratulations, Manan. I'm really proud of that mammoth effort you must have put in. I'm really proud of you.
Very well done, Tejasvi Goda. He secured rank 63, which is amazing. And even more amazing is that he's come from rank 25,000. We're so proud of your hard work, your dedication, and your zeal to do it. Very well done.
The next story that we are going to share with you is Dr. Neil Limai. Look at his improvement. He started from 23,000, ended up getting a rank 89. When you started 23,000, many people tell you can't do a top 100. He did it. He's ranked 89 this year. Well done. We are really proud of you.
This is again amazing. Biswajit Pera securing a rank of 174 this year, but he's come very far. He's come from rank 47,000. It is simply amazing, and we are so proud of you.
And the next story that we are going to share with you is Harshita Udupa. Massive improvement. Started with a 32,000 rank, with a 144 rank this time. You have to have this belief. I am sure reading these stories, reading these messages will put that belief back into you.
Very good. Riya Agarwal doing very well. Last year NEET rank was 45,000 and now it is 145. That's so wonderful. I am sure you've put in a lot of hard work and a lot of dedicated study. You inspire so many of these students.
Another improvement, another champion, Srijit Saha, started at 61,000, this year 392. You have given me a V sign and I am sending a V sign to you. We are really proud of you.
Hello SK Samim, and we are so proud of you that we had to be here from 11,480 to rank 369. Commendable.
Well done, Dr. Ruma Zaidi. She started at 57,000 and this year she is at 438. You dreamt of sending this message to us. You formed these words. When you start thinking of your victory speech, already you are in the victory zone. I always say, start planning what you say. And today, we are really thrilled to receive this message from you. We are really proud of your achievement. Congratulations.
Ramu Tirupati, very well done, Bacha. From 69,000 to rank of 544. People who are listening to you or reading your story are definitely going to get back to you, and they want to know how you did it, because even you can do it. 69,000 is a rank that people would say that no, you cannot do it, to top-notch ranks, and here he is achieving that feat.
Meera Kuttum, she started at 50,000. 50,000 was her last year's rank, and this time she's at 573. She removed a lot of zeros here. It is possible to do that. It is possible to work hard and relieve. And you have with you in front of you examples of people who have done it, who have kept going on even after failure, who have kept the momentum going on. We are really proud of you, Meera. I'm making a V sign for you.
Bhagyashree Singh, very well done, Bache, from 17,000 to 714. And yes, she's yet another example that if you're content is good and you are lacking in, question practice, you can still do it. You can convert your ranks into, again, top ranks. Very well done. So from 17,000 to 714.
Next is a story of Dr. Abhinav Das. This was his third attempt. Many people would have given up by now, but he persisted. His rank this time is 813. Last time it was 60,000, then went to 7,000. He was not satisfied. He wanted to do something. He was not satisfied. He put on, went on, till the time he reached the top 1,000. It is possible. It is possible. That is my reason of making this video. It is
Yes.
possible.
So what's
No,
important?
and second is he was not willing to take the regret. Many people would have taken that regret. He wanted MD medicine. He wanted MD medicine. He went on. Today he will do it from a very, very good place. He will definitely do it.
Sai Lakshmi, heartiest congratulations on converting your 12,000 rank to a rank of 746 in this NEET. Awesome and very good. And I think you've made full use of your classes and your class notes, and you've converted this rank into a very good rank. You'll get the branch of your choice and most likely at the place of your choice. It is totally worth it.
Kirti Jairam, he is from Dams, Mysore. He started his journey 17,000. Now he's 834. And that is what I call the stuff the champions are made up of. They start at a 17,000, but they convert it into top 1,000. Well done, Kirti.
Very well done, Ganesh, converting your 12,000 rank in last year to a rank in top 1,000, 860 this NEET. Amazing rank, and I'm sure you've put in a lot of hard work to reach this far. Heartiest congratulations.
Notes, very, very important. But what do we mean by notes? Notes means something that you write in by listening in the class, understanding, writing your understanding in the notebook. Notes does not mean somebody else writing it for you, loading it on the app and downloading it for you. Notes means you listen to them, understand, write down.
Moni Shankar, very well done. From converting your 10,000 rank to an 872, and yes, you will get MS Ortho. Yes, so congratulations, doing it for your branch, not quitting when people want you to take any branch and just do with it. That's what is required. We're only going to take what we want. We are going to strive for excellence. Heartiest congratulations. Very well done, Shiladitya, converting your 31,000 rank last year to 910. Awesome. And I think you really knew what you need to put in, and you're going to inspire so many other students that yes, they can convert their rank, which is in thousands, to top-notch ranks. Very well done, Bache.
Well done, Dr. Dhanya Bellat. She started at 63,000, 63,000, and now let me reveal this time her rank is 957. Magic. She did magic. What is magic? Magic is hard work. What is luck? Double hard work. You do more hard work, you create luck. This is what she created. Well done. Congratulations, Dhanya.
Hello, Gavin. Very, very well done. Converting a 58,000 rank to 1077. Wonderful performance, and hope you get whatever you desire at the place that you desire. Best wishes.
Well done, Dr. Lithika. She started at 65,000 last year. Now she's 1382. Awesome. You used to watch motivational videos to get motivated. Today, your story is a motivation story in itself.
Very well done, Rashmeen. Converting your 33,000 rank in NEET PG 2018 to rank 1,400. Awesome performance. And yes, I think you've learned many new techniques studying, and it's been our pleasure to teach you. Best wishes.
Anurag Patil, you awesome improvement. You started at 28,000. This time you're 1520. It is possible to do well. It is possible to improve. Well done.
And this one is really amazing. Now this girl, Akshata Khandelwal, has converted, she was not qualified last year, and now she's straight away gone up to 1,600 rank, which is totally amazing. People would say converting your not qualified to this rank would take years and years, but no, you made it possible. And I'm sure that you decided that you're going to do it, and you're going to be a motivation for people who probably are in the same place, and they're trying to think that they haven't really done well, upset with themselves. But do not rule yourself out. You can do it. You can do it when you are in the right direction with the right amount of hard work. you can make anything possible.
Well done, Dr. Jaspreet Singh. He started at 50,000. Many people give up. He started at 50,000 and this time 1650. 1650. We are so proud of you. Your thank you message is making me proud. I'm really
Zeba Pathan, very well done, converting 36,000 rank to 1,817, and it's a long message, it's a long thank you message. It was your dream and it has come true, and we are so happy to be a part of your journey to make it possible. It is a combined effort and it is a tough journey, but we can make it possible together. Right, so very well done. Hi, Meet, and the message starts with my name, and it is. I'm really thrilled to read it out. From 33,000 to 2,000 is totally awesome, and I've been in contact with you, and I know the amount of hard work that you've put in. So very well done, and let me know that you're going to inspire many of your juniors and not letting them quit, not letting them feel sad about it, and not letting them think that it is not possible. So you're going to be a reason for hope.
Mayuk Roy, he started at 22,000. This time he's 2,000. 1-0 removed. Well done. Everybody's proud of you. Well done, Mayuk. Well done. We are really, really proud of you.
Hi, Ravi Teja, converting 30,000 to 3,000. Very well done. And it just looks like a removal of a zero, but I think it looks, it involves a lot of hard work, lot of persistence, lot of dedication, and you're an example that if we put all the three together, persistence, hard work, and dedication, you can do it.
Amazing improvement. Dr. Brinda Heber, she started at not qualified. She was in despair that not qualified. Now in front of you, she's at 3,059, 3,259. You say thank you to us. Let me say thank you to you for your effort and congratulate you. I wish you all the best.
Very well done, Tanvi Modi, converting your 23,000 to 5,607. I think you've said that we have put in efforts, but I think you have put even more efforts. It's your hard work which has brought you here. So best wishes.
Well done, Dr. Akanksha Sharma. You started at 66,000. You ended up 6,000 this year. Great improvement. It is an awesome achievement. We are really proud of you. Well done. And finally, let me present to you the champion of the year. The champion comeback of the year is Dr. Aishwarya Durgar. She started at 38,000 last year and this time she is rank 4 NEET PG. It is possible. It is possible to improve. It is possible to do well. It is possible to do well even if you don't do well in the first go. It is possible. So every time I see students, they keep asking me how to improve after a bad result once. There are only few steps. The number one step is a strength weakness analysis. You find out what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and you put in work on strength or even more work on weaknesses. That is the first step. Second is that you have to accumulate and bring your confidence back. To do that, you have to accumulate tiny victories. Tiny victories means that you every test that comes, you give your class subject-wise test, grand, mock, CBT, you try good. Every time you perform better, your confidence comes back. Confidence comes back and you're able to push the momentum, and in the end that momentum propels you and you become like a rocket and you win. That is the second step. The third step that I want everybody to know is massive hard work. Massive hard work can beat anything that if you are not able to outsmart others, let's outwork. Let's outwork. Okay, sometimes I feel that okay, somebody smarter than me, but why not do more hard work. Do more hard work. Let's beat them by putting in more hours. That is the third way to success. And the final, do not forget the final one. You have to have a reason for what you're doing. That reason is your dream.